Imagine a world where nearly 2 billion people are missing out on key nutrients essential for their daily health. This isn't a scene from a dystopian novel, it's the reality of vitamin deficiency across the globe today. Vitamins are more than just a health buzzword. They are biochemical powerhouses, crucial for everything from powering our brains to healing our wounds. Take vitamin C, for example, not just an immune system booster. It's also a vital player in collagen synthesis, which helps keep our skin vibrant and our joints moving smoothly. You can find this superstar in more than just oranges. Bell peppers, strawberries, and kale are also rich in vitamin C. Then there's vitamin B12, essential for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. It's a vitamin primarily found in animal products like meats, dairy, and eggs, making it a point of attention for vegetarians and vegans. They might turn to fortified foods or supplements to meet their needs. Let's not overlook vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight off infection and protect cells from damage. It's abundant in nuts and seeds like almonds and sunflower seeds, as well as in spinach and broccoli. And of course there's folate, a key player in cell division and the production of genetic material. Leafy greens such as spinach, asparagus, and Brussels sprouts, along with legumes like lentils and chickpeas, are excellent sources of this vital nutrient. Each vitamin has its unique role, but they all share a common goal: keeping you at your best. Yet with the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to overlook these micronutrient marvels. How often do you consider whether you're getting enough of these essential nutrients? Are there small changes you could make to your diet to improve your vitamin intake? Reflect on your last meal. Did it contribute to your health's symphony of nutrients, or was it just filling a gap? What steps could you take today to ensure your body is receiving the harmony of vitamins it deserves for optimal health?